Many people are looking for the latest technology which will help them to sell products as affiliates, such as through Clickbank. A new software for this purpose has garnered a lot of attention. It's called Auto Chat Profits, and it's designed to make it easier for you to make money as a Clickbank affiliate. There are a lot of great products to make money off of on Clickbank, but there's also a decent amount of competition from other affiliates, which is why it's good to have the most effective technology at your disposal. So, what is Auto Chat Profits, and is it as useful as many marketers are saying? Of course, there are no real automatic affiliate software programs out there that can do all the work for you, so you just make money automatically. That said, Auto Chat Profits does automate many important steps in affiliate marketing. First of all, Auto Chat Profits will largely build out your website, landing page, for you. Most affiliates use a landing page before sending visitors to the vendor page where they can purchase the product. This puts it head and shoulders above the competition, because few software programs designed for affiliates will actually do this. Moreover, it gives you a landing page which is designed for conversions. Of course, you'll need to host the website yourself, but hosting will only cost you a few dollars each month. The landing page they give you comes complete with opt-in capabilities so you can begin collecting emails of visitors. These emails can allow you to make some good money off of things like autoresponder series sent to the emails collected, which are all people who've already demonstrated an interest in what you have to offer. But, most importantly, this landing page will also include an artificial intelligence-based chatting system which will ask questions to your visitors, and based on their answers, will recommend them products using your affiliate links, so that you can generate commissions from each purchase made. It's designed to make each visitor will feel like they're chatting with a real person who's making recommendations to them based on how they respond to the questions asked. You should start making money quickly after generating decent traffic to the page.